So you clicked on this video expecting to see some fat guy coding away, teaching you how to make AI models. Now, people that manage AI models, that's not what they do. They live out in places like this, they make fucking loads of money. We're gonna be teaching you how to do that this month, and we're gonna be doing a series on 0 to 10K in a month and explain exactly how to make these AI models and how easy it is to manage them in comparison to normal models.
So, my name's Kyle. I've been managing AI models and talking about AI models online before anyone else in this industry. Hence why I'm able to get ahead of the game and stay in lovely villas in hot countries during the winter. In this short series, we're going to be scaling an AI model from $0 to $10,000 in 1 month. Now, is this realistic for a beginner? Not exactly. We have certain expertise in the space which has allowed us to build up this knowledge, be able to scale from 0 to 10K in 1 month. We're going to show you exactly how easy it is and how you can make money online generating fake pictures and selling them to degenerates. This only comes on the condition that you put the fucking work in. Nothing in life is free, but we're going to teach you the ropes, and if you follow correctly and stay disciplined, you'll be able to make money as well. It's so fucking easy.
I know, learning how to make an AI model, combining it with our expert marketing skills, just so easy to make money. And people don't realize this because they're great at marketing, they're good at OFM, but their limitations is the model. So why don't they combine the two, and then they can just fuck off anywhere around the world like this. You're financially free, no 9 to 5, no boss, no limitations.
Well, it's because they're fucking stupid, that's why.
Yeah, obviously.
OFM, there's zero doubt, is the easiest way to make money.
Yeah.
Combining that with the fastest growing industry right now, AI. The main struggle with OFM is models work rates, recruiting models, all that kind of shit. Make your own model, make your own content, and sell it by yourself, 100% profit margins. It's literally a no-brainer. Get an AI model, put them on FanView, and sell it to fucking degenerates. That is the game, that's how we make fucking money.
The thing is, people are stuck in their ways. They know OFM works. They don't bother changing their ways because they're just getting money, they're ticking over. But they don't realize in a few months they're going to get fucking trumped. So they need to kind of be neuroplastic enough to listen and learn and expand your skills. Then you're going to realize that AI is limitless. The only limitations is the capability of your own body. Now, we're going to fucking get a team together. We're going to go make an AI model.
Yeah, let's fucking do it.
Let's go.
Obviously, it's important to reiterate why we can do this in a month versus other people who may struggle to obviously do this in a month. We've been doing this over a year with AI models, and we've been doing this for almost 2 years now with normal models. We know what the fuck we're doing.
Yeah, exactly. Like, we're so confident in doing it nowadays that we literally teach people on our course, teach people how to do it, and people have started to scale. Who was it last week? It was
Max. We took on Max, student of ours. He scaled to 2K now in 2 weeks.
And he had somewhat experience. Obviously, he wasn't doing it like as long as us. So he's been able to scale it to 2 grand in 2 weeks.
Yep.
So in a month, probably about 4 grand, which is still a fucking good effort with no experience at all. And that's just AI modeling. That's AI modeling for you. But you can't start AI modeling unless you know what you're doing.
You have to put the work in, that's the thing. With AI models, it's all about the work rate because you are the model.
Yeah.
You no longer rely on a model to do all this for you. But you do have to actually make this content. You can't just be having to go at models for not making content and then jump on AI OFM and then be like, content's so hard because you're the one fucking doing it.
Before you make a model, you've got to do your research, don't you?
Yeah.
You can't just jump in, straight away get a model, get her out there. Because the problem with that is you don't know what's good in the market. I could get a blonde hair, blue eyes model right now, smash loads of content, and in a month she's not going to be earning 10K. Just because she's not unique. What is like the one main dominant model that you know? When I say AI model, what comes to mind?
Pink-haired model.
Pink-haired model. I don't fucking remember her name. Is Anita?
Aitana.
Yeah, something like that. I don't remember her name, but pink-haired model. And the reason I remember her is because she's got pink hair. This is a unique thing that normal models can't really replicate very well without having shit hair. That is why AI models are so significant. You can make it so unique that it becomes so memorable. People don't forget, and that's why they just keep coming back. If blokes thinking, I want to go have a wank, they're gonna think, I'm gonna wank to this fat chick I saw the other week with nothing, or this model with green eyes and fucking pink hair.
Yeah, exactly. It's a massive talking point as well, because if you say, oh, you know that blonde hair chick, you'd be like, what fucking one?
Yeah, what
the fuck you on about?
Market's so saturated with blonde hair.
Pink hair instantly pops in your mind. You know exactly what I'm on about.
Before we start making a model, make sure you do your research on the market, see what's popular, see what's not popular, see what people like, see what people don't like. So yeah, last year, 2023, the most popular thing on Pornhub, which is the largest thing in the sex industry, was actually hentai, which is cartoon porn. So that's why we know AI is about to fucking explode. Not just that, but we also work in the AI space, so we fucking know the market. It's about to explode.
I've been saying it over a year now. No one's been believing it. Now, you know, more results are coming in. We're making it more public to people. People are actually like, oh, I was wrong, which is obviously a good thing for us.
And even us, we're getting backup. Like, we're getting people out here. We're teaching them how to do it, and they're working for us to make these AI models. Model, OFM model, one model. They're by themselves. They make their content. They put it out there. AI model. We have 3 fucking blokes right here, fully trained on how to do AI models, and we can just sit there for 12 hours a day, smashing out content. 3 blokes. Who's gonna make more content? 1 model or 3 fucking blokes?
You can make 3 years worth of content with 3 blokes.
Yeah.
In 12 hours.
We're gonna make that fucking model, I guess. So I've got the software that we're gonna make the model on. Cole's gonna explain whilst I'm typing in the prompts live on, you know, how we make these fucking models. So you go on about prompts and all that shit.
Yeah. So this is obviously the part of the video you're waiting for. We're going to show you live how we actually make models. Now, one thing you need to know about when you generate models is, for one, you need the right platform to do so, and 2, you need to know about prompts. So the platform that we use, we'll link it in the description. It basically, you can go into all this stable diffusion, all this coding, all this kind of shit, but realistically what you want is a software that can instantly generate you models. You don't have to fuck about with coding, you don't have to learn that for months, years, whatever, and specialize in that. A lot of people overcomplicate this step, and it's not necessary. But yeah, with a prompt, you're writing in an explanation to a computer saying what you want this image to be. For example, blonde hair, blue eye, on a beach, and it will generate a fucking picture of it. Exactly. That's very, very basics.
And obviously, what you don't want to do, like we said earlier, is do a blonde hair, blue eye model, because everyone's got them. However, but you want to make it more unique. So what we've done here, I've just generated this. If you want to fucking somewhat come in, we'll put it on your screen. Green eyes, blonde hair, blue eyes, freckles, and you can see the quality of that image is very, very good. Now I've got the same prompt. I'll generate another image, and we'll see what it comes out as. But there's also a seed.
A seed is very basically, a lot of platforms use seeds differently, but in basic terms, a seed is a randomly generated number which will correlate to the platform, and it will tell the platform the basic characteristics of your model. And if you recreate that seed on generating another image, it will basically carry over the same characteristics and features that model has. That's basically what a seed is. So keep the same seed and keep the same model.
So I haven't really changed the prompt, and the seed was consistent. So as you can see, the same model has pretty much popped up. I've also got another image here of that model. If you can see, fucking detail in the eyelashes, the eyebrows, and you may be thinking, oh, but that's not realistic because they're just zoomed into their face. But what you can do is, mate, have you fucking changed my screensaver again?
Nah, man. You've been wanking off to Epstein again. It's your mate.
You're such a mate. Whatever. We might have to fucking cut that out. With the model, obviously, it's high detail and that's its face. And, mate, hang on, Peter. Fuck's sake, bro. Has its face, but you can then take that face and you can put it on whatever position, whatever model, whatever anything you fucking want.
Was that you?
Right. So, for example, if I did want them in a different place or position, you can easily just have that same face put on. And the thing that is so good is you can use a different software with that face. So if the software that you're using alternatively with it is also good, then you can take that face, put it into another software or deep fake it into anything, and that is going to be consistently reoccurring at that quality, which is fucking brilliant.
Yeah, exactly. And this is the thing, because when you have a model like that looks so realistic, you can then sell it to Toby's mates online and make shit tons of cash. If you can regenerate the same image, you go to Toby's mates online, you say, do you want to buy this content? And Toby's mates will be like, yeah, I fucking love this content. Let me get more. So this is kind of the idea that you get from a platform like this. And the platform link will be in the description, as well as we've partnered up with the platform. You get a little discount with our link as well. So bonus.
So that's how you make an AI model. In the next video, we're going to be doing how to fix some defects, how to modify it, how to get it in any position, any of this, all of that. Everything you need to know is going to be in the next episode. Then we're going to start marketing. We're going to go into the normal routine on how to make 10K with that model.
In between this episode and the next episode, what we're going to be doing is generating shit tons of content that we can then put onto our socials and our fan view accounts. And obviously we'll cover that in the next video anyway, how you can do that and how you can actually market these models. So that is what we'll be doing. We've got 3 blokes here who can generate AI content. We're going to be doing that in between the episodes, sitting at a computer screen for fucking hours doing nerdy shit.
Yeah, you don't really want to sit there just watching us generate, edit, and start storing up content. So we're going to do all of this off camera. We'll show you some products. The model that we made there, we're going to perfect that to the market. So obviously that model may have some alterations we'll be able to make to her to make it optimal, to be able to grow in the market as quickly as possible. And this is the thing, a lot of you need to do a bit of research before starting to make that model, like we said earlier, so you can optimize it and actually grow as fast as possible. Like a normal Earth model, absolutely fucking no chance against a team of blokes that are willing to work fucking 16 hours a day. 0 chance.
I think we'll do 10K in less than a month.
But in the next episode, we will show you how to do this, how to everything with our models. See you then.